In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up the right canvas size and start designing your own custom stickers, ready for printing or digital use. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you tell Canva what kind of project you're working on. From the drop-down that appears, instead of choosing a preset size, click on Custom Size. This is important because stickers are usually small and you want full control over their dimensions. When the Custom Size box opens, you'll see fields for width and height, along with the drop-down for units. Change the units to inches. Canva often defaults to pixels, but for printing stickers, inches give you a clearer sense of how big your design will be in real life. Once you've switched to inches, set both the width and the height to 3. This will create a 3 by 3 inch square, which is a nice standard size for a single sticker. Big enough to show detail, but not too large. After entering 3 inches for both width and height, click on Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas in a new tab, perfectly sized for your sticker. You should now see a white square in the middle of the screen, surrounded by the Canva editor tools. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on Elements. This is where you can find shapes, graphics, illustrations, icons, and more. Elements are the building blocks of your sticker design. You can search for specific themes like cute, plants, or retro, or you can browse through our other categories. Now it's time to start adding the designs you want and really begin creating your stickers. Click on any element you like to add it to your canvas, then resize, rotate, and arrange it however you want. You can combine multiple elements, change colors to match your style, and add text if you want words or phrases on your sticker. Take your time, experiment with different layouts, and adjust until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're satisfied, you've successfully created a sticker design in Canva.